Welcome back to Harry the Hymer's Holidays. In this vlog we are heading towards a new CL that we haven't been to before. It's called Greenacres CL and it's at Murrow, which is just outside Wisbech. Here we've just turned off of the A17 onto the A1101 heading towards Wisbech. As we come into Wisbech, we are looking for the main road to go around to the left, where we are going to turn right. We turned right at these traffic lights onto the B1169. Here we are driving through the beautiful Cambridgeshire fens. We are approaching a junction that was a little bit confusing on the map, but the main road goes round to the right. There's a road on the left. We went straight on. Driving through Murrow, we came to a T-junction where we turned left, travelled down here just a short distance before turning right. Follow the road round to the left and Greenacres CL is down here on the left. There's a sign outside with the name Paul Tibbs on it. Enter into the yard and you go up the left hand side where there is a gate. we were emailed the code to the gate beforehand, so we were able to just go in and choose our pitch. Here you can see the facilities that are available. Each pitch has electric hookup and a tap shared between two pitches. I will show you a closer view of the rest of the facilities in a little while. The morning after we arrived, when we took the dogs out for a walk, we were surprised to see a lovely hot air balloon flying over near the site. It was a bitterly cold, frosty morning, but it was beautiful with the sun shining. I'm not sure if this is an official dog walk, but this was an area that we found that's off-site that was enough for our dogs for their morning walk. We didn't complete the walk down here as a neighbour's dog was out and was barking at our dogs, so we turned around and went back. But if we'd have carried on down here, it takes you to a pedestrian gate next door to the main gate that we had driven in, so you can get out without having to open the main gate. So here we're coming up to the other facilities that are available. As you can see, there's a washing line there. So if you needed to do washing on a long stay, there's somewhere to hang it. This is the information hut, which contained maps that you could borrow if you wanted to go out for walks or drives. Next to that was the toilet emptying point, wastewater emptying point, and a rubbish bin and a recycling bin.
you.